Hey everyone, today I'm going to be reviewing and opening up this Pocket Juice portable charger by Tzumi. I picked this one up at Costco. It is item number 1222212. It's got a lithium polymer battery with 12,000 milliamp hours of power, a dual USB with 4.8 amp output. Let's take a look at the back. It's got a rubberized coating on the outside. LED lights to let you know when it's charged. Again, those two USB plugs on there. It also has a 4-inch micro USB cable. So far, it looks like a decent unit. So let's open it up and take a closer look. Alright, so we finally got that open. The first thing I'm noticing is the rubberized coating on the outside feels really nice. It's not slippery at all, so it's easy to hang on to. There's two USB plugs on the outside, the 4.8 amps, and the micro USB charging slot there in the middle. It's got a button here on the outside that lights up the indicators, so you can see it's 3 out of 4 lights full right now. Just a solid feeling unit. This micro USB cable is 4 inches long, it's braided, it feels high quality as well. So let's go ahead and charge up the battery pack. The first thing I'm noticing though is that because that cable is so short, it's not going to work very well for plugging it into the wall. So it might work well if you're plugging it into your laptop, but this is going to be a problem for the wall. So I'll grab a longer cable here and we will use that instead. Now I was reading in the instructions and it says 6 to 12 hours to completely charge this unit. I believe it'll go quicker this time because it is at 3/4 of the way charged right now. And if there's 4 lights lit up, it's 75 to 100% of the power remaining. 50 to 75 is 3 lights, 25 to 50 is 2 lights, and 1 light is 0 to 25. So as it's charging, the light does blink so you can kind of see where it's at. When it is fully charged, like I said, it'll be 4 lights all lit up and it stops blinking. So my phone is currently at 19%, so we are gonna charge that up. Now I have a phone with a USB-C cable, so because this has a micro USB that came with it, we're gonna have to use a different cable. Plug that into the USB plug there and into the bottom of the phone. And we'll let that charge up. So if you're charging this at night in your bedroom, this is what it's going to look like when you're charging your phone. It's not annoying at all compared to my old one. This is what my old one looks like. It was a Rayovac charger, really blinky. It just kept you up. And I definitely think the new one is going to be way better for me. So, all right, so my phone is fully charged. So I'm going to unplug it from the USB cable and unplug the USB cable from the battery pack itself. So what do I like about this Pocket Juice? So the first thing I really like about it is the rubberized coating on the outside. Makes it really easy to hang on to. It doesn't feel like you're going to drop it. The weight on the unit is nice. It's not too heavy. It's got the 2 USB ports on the top with 4.8 amps. You can charge 2 things at the same time. It's also got easy access to the charging cable slot for the micro USB cable there in the middle. It's got good weight. It just feels like it's solidly built. So what don't I like about the unit? Well, I wish it had a pop-out plug on the back. I've seen that on some other chargers and it seems really convenient. The other thing is a 4-inch cable is way too short. You can't plug it into the wall. It's obviously meant for just using with your laptop for charging it. My phone uses a USB-C cable to charge it, so I need 2 different cables, one for the phone and one to charge the battery pack. It would be nice if it had a USB-C port on it for charging it. So all in all though, I paid $20 for this at Costco. It seems really solidly built and I do recommend it. So the price point was really good. So I hope you enjoyed this review of the Pocket Juice battery pack. Please give me a like down below if this video helped you out and subscribe because I've got lots more videos coming up and I hope to share those with you in the future. Take care.